In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit cash into your Coinbase account. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just need a refresher on the process, I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure it's as seamless as possible. First, start by logging in to your Coinbase account from your PC or preferred web browser. Once you've securely logged in, it's time to navigate to the section where you can manage your assets. To do this, head over to the My Assets section. This is your central hub for keeping track of everything related to your holdings. From there, you'll want to select Cash. This specific area is dedicated to managing the cash aspect of your account, which is crucial for making seamless deposits and withdrawals. Once you're in the Cash section, look for the option that says Deposit Cash. Clicking on this will take you to the part of the platform where you can initiate your deposit. Now, here's where you get to make a choice. Coinbase offers several methods for depositing cash, depending on your geographical location and banking preferences. You'll find options like ACH, wire transfers, and SEPA. Decide which method suits you best. If you're transferring funds within the United States, ACH is a popular choice. If you're coming from Europe, SEPA might be more convenient, and wire transfers can work as a reliable method as well, especially for larger sums. Having made your choice, it's time to gather the necessary information Coinbase provides for each method. If you're opting for a wire transfer, Coinbase will display crucial details such as the bank name, SWIFT by C code, account number, and a reference ID. These are essential to ensure your funds reach your Coinbase account smoothly and without hitches. In case you choose ACH for transfers in USD, you'll be provided with a routing number and an account number. These pieces of information are vital for transferring money from your bank to Coinbase efficiently. Now, armed with these details, you'll need to switch over to your banking interface, either online or in person, depending on your bank's offerings. When making the transfer, you'll input the details you've obtained from Coinbase. It's crucial to pay close attention here and ensure you've entered the information correctly. Take care of any additional sections your bank might require information in, and always double check for accuracy. And there you have it. Your funds should soon find their way from your bank account into your Coinbase account, enabling you to delve deeper into the world of digital currencies. Keep in mind, depending on the method you chose and banking processes, it might take some time for the funds to appear in your Coinbase account. Always ensure to follow up if there's any delay or concern. With this understanding, you can confidently and efficiently manage your deposits. Happy investing!